first of all, a lot of us feel anxious. It's normal. It's because we're future oriented. We're trying to either control the future or we're worried about something in the future. Again, it's normal, but it takes us away from the present and really being to our fullest capacity in the present moment. So a good sleep meditation would be anything that promotes feeling safe and grounded and present. So body scan is another technique where you close your eyes and you just focus on the sensations in your body. You can affirm, I am grounded, I am safe, it is safe to be here. Whatever mantras or words help you feel present. And then especially with anxiety, to help support your nervous system, we want to take you into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is all about activating a certain type of breath work, which will help you calm down. So this is just a guide. If it doesn't feel good in your body, you can adjust, but you want to inhale through your nose for a count of 4, pause at the top, and then exhale for a count of about 7 or 8. And you want to breathe through the belly as you do this. This is all signaling to your nervous system that you are safe and you are grounded. So inhale for a count of 4, hold at the top, exhale for about 7 to 8 counts. And then that will help you at least address your anxiety, take you back to the present moment, help you feel safe and grounded. And if you need more support, check my YouTube channel below in the caption.